Konnichiwa. Hi, I'm Masaki, Japanese living in France. I'm showing easy and affordable Japanese cooking recipe with ingredients you can find anywhere, any country outside of Japan. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook Japanese style cold ramen with spaghetti. With one thing, spaghetti will become like a ramen noodle. It's called Hiyashi-chuka, by the way. It's super hot recently, isn't it? In France it's over 30 degrees every day. When it's hot you lose your appetite. In Japan we eat this cold ramen noodle during summer very often. It's cold, refreshing and tastes great. Today we have a tomato, 2 eggs, 3 big spoons of water, ham, cucumber, 1 big spoon baking soda, little lime, 3 big spoons of sugar, 4 big spoons of rice vinegar, 4 big spoons of soy sauce, and 1 big spoon of mirin, and a small spoon of sesame oil, and 100 grams of normal spaghetti. Okay, first let's make sauce for the noodle. Add sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, and mirin, and water. Put in the bowl and let it cool in the fridge. Okay, now the cold ramen sauce is ready. I'm gonna make an egg sheet with 2 eggs. Whisk the egg very well. Now I'm gonna make egg seed. The point is to put a lot of oil on the pan and preheat the pan very hot before put the egg ricket. Add the egg ricket. And set in lower heat. Shake a pan and make a seed like almost making a crepe. Now I'm gonna cut up egg seed, vegetables and ham. First I'm gonna cut egg seed in julienne. Cut in julienne again. Slice tomato in half and slice half cut tomato. So, why baking soda with spaghetti? Baking soda, that is an alkaline salt, causes a chemical reaction to the spaghetti, so it will becomes like a ramen noodle. When the ramen is finished being cooked, put the ramen noodle in cold water and let it cool down. Add all the garnish. Ivana, Japanese style cold ramen salad. Hiyashi-chuka is beautifully done. Okay, Japanese style cold ramen is ready, guys. It's time to dig in. But before, I need to drink a beer. Today I chose Heineken. I think everyone knows about this beer. With option, you can eat with mustard. Okay, add the sauce to the ramen. Ja, itadakimasu. Wow, it's really beautiful. And the noodle smells like ramen. One hot day, cold beer, and the cold Japanese ramen salad. It's the best combination. It tastes exactly like the cold ramen. Spaghetti become ramen noodle. Italian become Japanese. Thank you for watching. Did you like my video? Please try the recipe I made today. I guarantee that it is very good and tasty. Please support my channel and comment below to support. Thank you very much. ありがとう。じゃあね。